Hello everyone, I'm Lois Ivana Islami. Today I'm going to present to you a fascinating bird species found in the rainforest of Borneo. It's called the helmeted hornbill. Let's start by understanding what makes the helmeted hornbill so special. It's a bird that you won't find anywhere else in the world except for the island of Borneo. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the significant classification of the helmeted hornbill. As you can see from this diagram, it belongs to the family of hornbill. The helmeted hornbill is a large bird with striking black and white plumage. Its most distinctive feature, as I mentioned earlier, is its large, solid cashew. Unfortunately, the helmeted hornbill faced many threats to its survival. The main threats include habitat loss due to deforestation, poaching for its valuable ivory cashew, and the illegal wildlife trade. The helmeted hornbill is primarily found in the lowland rainforest of Borneo. This bird prefers tall trees for nesting, as they create cavities in the trunks to lay their eggs. Is mainly a fruit eater, playing a crucial role in the seed dispersal. Helmeted hornbill are known to form monogamous pairs and often occur in cooperative breeding, where other members of the group help raise the young. With proper care, helmeted hornbill can live up to 40 years in the wild. Did you know that the casque of the helmeted hornbill can make up to 10% of this body weight? That's pretty amazing. Females are also smaller than males, and they use their powerful beaks to break open fruit. Thank you guys and bye bye.